Hi friends, welcome back. And Well Interiors completed one more project, and this is a 1 BHK flat. In this flat, we are taking white color because client choice is to give a white color in whole flat. This is a safety door. In safety door, we are giving a lock, cylindrical lock with a serving window and jali, and then this is a door, white color door come, and this is a living area. Flat size is around 600 square feet. This is a living area of this flat, and this is the false ceiling we done. In false ceiling we are giving spotlights, fan, all the combination are white. I hope you like it, the false ceiling. This is a POP false ceiling. Then this is a mandir. In mandir we are giving very good spotlight, shelf, glass with a own cutting design, drawer, storage space. In storage space we are giving an adjustable shelf. Then come to the TV panel of living area. This is a TV panel. In TV panel we are giving spotlights, and this is a drawers. All the channel and hinges of are soft resin in complete flat. Then this is TV panel with a 3 drawers, and then come to the heart of the house, kitchen. This is a kitchen we give. In kitchen this is a storage space for running products, chimney, then again storage space for the running product. Then this is storage space for a RO, cabinet. This is a bean holder. Then this is storage space again, and then this is also a corner used for storage space. Okay, this is cutlery basket. Please come. Cutlery basket, plain basket, plate basket, bottle pull out, storage of space again. Then sink. Then come to the bedroom of this house. This is a white color bedroom. Size of this bedroom is 10 by 11. This is a very beautiful false ceiling we given. 18 inches putties is giving in POP false ceiling. White color spotlights. Then fan. Then we are giving beautiful dressing table. This is a wall mount dressing table. In this dressing table we are giving shelves for products. Then mirror. We are giving wall mount, that's why, because size of this flat is 10 into 11, 10 by 11 feet, and after bed space is so very few, that's why we are giving wall mounted dressing table. Then we are giving aluminium mesh door. This is an aluminium mesh door, and wardrobe. In wardrobe we are try to give maximum space of storage. In this we are giving shelves for storage, adjustable shelf, coat sections, drawer, shelf, again lock. We are giving rose gold, very beautiful rose gold handles in a whole flat. Please come here and have a look of these handles. And this is the and then come to the living area again. In living area we are giving aluminium mesh door. Aluminium mesh door. We are try to use maximum space. That's why we are taking this type of aluminium mesh door. If we are taking palla or a door of aluminium mesh door, it will take space like this in this area. So that's why we are taking slide in aluminium metal. This is a very good option to use of maximum space, utilize of maximum space. Then come to the washroom. In washroom we are giving very beautiful vanity. We are completely reinstall all the sanitary fittings and vanity. This is a very beautiful bowl shape basin. Then vanity. In vanity we are giving golden profile with the white color mica. Hope you like it. It's a very cute combination. Then this is a mirror. This is sensor glass mirror. Then this is towel roll, and then we are giving sanitary fitting, geyser, pot, and come. We are giving glass door over here. In glass door, shower, shelf, health faucet, towel roll, soap dispenser, towel ring, rack, exhaust, geyser, doorbell we are also giving over here. We are taking white color doorbell. Then that's it. Hope you like the work of Veristel Interiors. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.